interests and people.
Ito ang babala ng Iranian government kasunod ng naging pagbomba ng Amerika sa kanilang 3 nuclear facilities nitong weekend. Binigyang diin ni Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi na nilabag ng Amerika ang international law kung saan kapwa sila miyembro ng United Nations.
I don't know how much room is left for diplomacy. There is no red line that they have not crossed. And the last one, and the most dangerous one, was happened only last night, when they crossed a very big red line by attacking nuclear facilities.
Kaugnay nito, muling nagbanta ang Amerika na nakahanda ito sa anumang pagganti ng Iran. Matatandaan na noong 1 linggo nang humingi si US President Donald Trump ng 2 linggong panuhit para magdesisyon sa kanilang magiging aksyon sa hidwaan ng Iran at Israel. Pero sa pahayag ni Trump,